Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we have some breaking news that's sure to excite the tech community. Apple has just confirmed the global rollout of their much-anticipated Vision Pro headset. This isn't just your average product. It's a $3,499 spatial computing marvel that promises to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Are you ready to know which countries are getting it first? Stay tuned. Apple announced this exciting news at the WWDC 2024 keynote earlier today. For those of you unfamiliar, WWDC is Apple's worldwide developers conference where they typically unveil their latest innovations. And today was no different. The Vision Pro is set to go beyond the United States, entering several new markets in the coming months. You might remember that the Vision Pro has already seen some specialist use outside North America. For instance, surgeons in London used it during a spinal procedure, a clear testament to how versatile and groundbreaking this headset can be. But what about everyday consumers, you ask? Well, your wait is almost over. In addition to the global rollout, Apple also unveiled Vision OS 2 at the developer event. This update brings some fantastic new features to the Vision Pro, such as the ability to turn regular photos into spatial photos. Can you imagine reliving your treasured memories in 3 dimensions? It's like stepping into a time machine, but cooler. So, which countries are first in line? Drumroll, please. China mainland, Hong Kong, Japan, and Singapore. These regions will get the first chance to buy the Apple Vision Pro on June 28th. Mark your calendars because pre-orders open on Thursday, June 13th at 6 p.m. Pacific Time. If you're in one of these countries, get ready for the tech experience of a lifetime. But don't fret if you're not in those first regions. Another 5 countries will be able to purchase the headset on July 12th, and they are Australia, Canada, France, Germany, and the United Kingdom. Customers in these countries can start pre-ordering on Friday, June 28th at 5 a.m. Pacific Time. The official availability starts on Friday, July 12th. Apple CEO Tim Cook had this to say about the Vision Pro. The enthusiasm for Apple Vision Pro has been extraordinary, and we are thrilled to introduce the magic of spatial computing to more customers around the world. He emphasized that this isn't just a product. It's a gateway to new, unimaginable experiences. When a tech giant like Apple makes such claims, you know you're in for something remarkable. Imagine working on an infinite canvas for apps, collaborating seamlessly across virtual spaces, or watching TV shows and movies in a one-of-a-kind personal cinema. That's just scratching the surface of what Vision Pro offers. The future of computing is here, and it's incredibly exciting. We've reviewed the Vision Pro earlier this year and called it a truly amazing product. Despite its hefty price tag and a few early issues, the consensus is clear. This could be the future of computing. For those who haven't yet experienced its capabilities, now's the time to get excited. If you're in London, you'll get your hands on it starting next month. Don't miss out on more exciting tech news. Make sure to subscribe to All About AI Tech for the latest in AI and tech innovations. I'm always striving to improve the quality of our videos and build a community where we can all share insights and opinions. Your support and feedback are invaluable, so please like, share, and comment with any questions or thoughts you have about the Vision Pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.